How to reset Messenger pin code. To reset your Messenger pin code, here is how to do it. Follow this appropriate and quick method. First of all, open the Messenger app and make sure you are logged in. Then tap on the three line at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the Messenger menu section. Once there, tap on the settings option available there. Once you're inside the settings, all you have to do is scroll and look for the privacy and safety option available in there. And all you have to do is tap on the privacy and safety. Now tap on the end-to-end encrypted chats, then tap on the message storage, then tap on the reset pin option available there. Now all you have to do is enter the new pin and save it, and your pin will be updated. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.